Hi, I'm Carter.
I'm Kirby.
And welcome back to
More with Kinetic Sand.
Kinetic Sand!
Today is our spectacular spooky special. Happy Halloween, Carter.
Happy Halloween, Kirby.
This episode is all about...
Wait,
What?
this just doesn't feel spooky enough.
Could be spookier. Mutatis Festiva.
That's more like it.
Today's all about Halloween, so stick around.
It's our spectacular spooky special.
You won't want to miss a second.
Carter, Kirby, it's time for a challenge. These cauldrons are filled with kinetic sand and various spooky items are hidden inside. Whoever can find the most items before the time is up will win a giant bag of candy.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I am number one.
Kirby, why do you think you'll win?
Because...
How about you, Carter?
Because I got these bear claws that can dig all the way down, boy.
Do you have another reason?
No.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, a mouse. I love mice. Oh, there's a mouse. Another mouse.
Spiders?
Oh, scared. Ah, spider.
All right, time's up. And the winner is, with 21 points, Carter.
Yes! There's no way. It's so
think there's
unfair.
more.
Because I've gotten all of them. I know that for a fact.
Let's make our own DIY kinetic sand slime.
My eye.
What the heck? There's spiders in here and bones.
That's how you lost.
Because I've gotten all of them. I know that for a fact.
There must be like 2 more spiders and a bone.
Do you have any plans to dress up for Halloween?
I don't know if I want to dress up this year. I probably will though. And I think I'm gonna do one with my little brother. And I think my brother's gonna be Randy Savage.
Who is Randy Savage?
A wrestler. Do you smell what the rock is cooking? And I use a little bit of his kinetic sand.
For what?
For my stem.
Okay.
No. I will win this competition. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This one's gonna be like a.
And then
cool
now we're gonna
pumpkin.
slice it. Slice the pizza good.
That's how you do it, kids.
Let's make our own spooky kinetic sand yard.
Whoa, that was spooky.
Don't worry, Carter. Ghosts, goblins, and ghouls aren't real.
What was that?
I don't know, and I'm not sticking around to find out. Thanks for watching, everybody.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Hi, I'm Kirby.
And I'm Carter.
And you're watching
More with Kinetic Sand.
Today is our spectacular spooky special. Happy Halloween, Carter.
Happy Halloween, Kirby.
Today's episode.
Wait. This just doesn't feel spooky enough.
Very well then. Mutatis Festia.
Yeah, I've really got the beer claws, boy!
Carter, Kirby, can you make your own oozing jack-o'-lantern?
Ta-da.
That was
Yeah.
easy. That was way easier
Clean
than I
cut.
thought. I'm gonna make my face a triangle.
Okay, so first, I'm cutting an eye. This is a little messy. Okay, I'm almost done with my first triangle.
Boom.
The key to do this is to
Oh.
I kind of forgot to do a jagged mouth,
Oh my gosh, Kirby, that's a big mouth.
but I think it looks good. Now we're gonna make the kinetic sand slime.
Oh gosh.
So to make the kinetic sand slime, you gotta kind of flatten it out first, because you kind of want to make a burrito. So this is like your little tortilla.
Grab your
Alright.
sand.
That.
I'm gonna flow it in.
Now we're gonna kind of roll it up. This burrito. This is like the biggest burrito on earth.
Okay, now we gotta go.
Look how cool that looks, guys. Okay, now we're just gonna kind of fold it up. And try not to get any of the kinetic sand to flow out because you want it to stay in there. Oh, it's like a mixing machine with my hands. Oh wait, I want to see if I can make a bubble. No. This is like really good for Halloween decor. See, it's about to ooze out of the mouth.
He looks like he's throwing up.
He ate too much. He just ate too much. It was Thanksgiving Day.
Thanksgiving Day, you always eat too much, you know?
Let's make our own kinetic sand Halloween treat. This is Dig and Discover Grave Digger. You've incidentally found yourselves in a spooky kinetic sand graveyard. With 60 seconds on the clock, it's time to see who can excavate the most bones from their graveyard.
Is this a bone? Is this a bone? Or is this a worm?
Could be both.
It's a bone. Oh my gosh. Spitter. Ooh, bone. That's a bone. These are worms.
Dang, Carter, it's looking a little slow over there.
You're looking a little slow.
Oh, I found a spider. But I have a feeling that there's a twist. Because they only said bones, not insects. But do insects have bones?
Not at all. Oh! My goodness, I'm hitting the lottery. There must be a little bit more here. Let's get it. Let's get her done. Hallelujah. That's a spitter. Ooh.
And the winner is Carter. Let's return to the haunted kinetic sand yard.
guess that's a wrap on this year's Halloween.
Time to put the bear claws away.
I guess. I wish every day could be Halloween.
Carter? Carter, wake up! Hello?
Oh, was I daydreaming?
Think so.
There was a ghost. He told me not to forget.
Forget what?
Dia de los Muertos.